In present education system, the journey of academy revolves around two phases, learning and testing. However, within this traditional educational framework, a significant challenge arises. The learning process tends to be time-consuming, which covers almost 90% of the time. This results into leaving students with limited opportunities to bridge the gap between theoretical knowledge and real-life application. To provide solution to this limitation, Teacher Factory is introducing an applying stage alongside the existing learning and testing phases. This will bring learning and testing to 15% of time each, and 70% of the time will be utilized by memorizing and applying. In Teacher Factory, for English vocabulary, we use this approach as, in first stage of learning, it contains domain defining of list of words for specific root word or theme along with excellent visual effect. After this, each word is explained in almost 1 minute with its background, technical meaning, synonyms, antonyms and usage in an extremely user-friendly manner with excellent visual images and GIFs to make the learning long-lasting. At the later part, each word is revised in 10 seconds. In second stage of memorizing and applying, for this we have used our indigenously designed flashcard considering the need of students. Here student can set their own study plan. This can be done at various levels like alphabetically, root word wise, prefix wise, suffix wise, profession and theme based. Once the student sets the study plan, it goes to style page where student can set its own preferences. After this, student will go to actual flashcard run. Here student will swipe the card based on whether he knows it or not. If he knows, then right swipe, and if not, then left swipe. He will also get analysis of every flashcard run, that is list of known words and unknown words, and time taken for each word. In third stage of testing, here student actually tests its learning using AI-based tests from image to word to meaning, word to antonym and word to synonym and so on. This is how student will go through 3-stage learning process in our English vocabulary course. Proposed journey for excellent outcomes. For school students, we propose a step-by-step approach to vocabulary building starting from the 5th standard. In the 5th standard, students will learn 500 words in total, distributed evenly across 2 semesters, with 250 words covered in each semester. This pattern will continue in the 6th, 7th, and 8th standards. By the time students reach the 9th and 10th standards, it will adjust to 250 words per year. Through this gradual progression, a student will acquire a total vocabulary of 2,500 words by the end of their 10th standard. At the college level, in the first 3 years of college, students will learn 250 words per semester, amounting to 500 words per year. By the end of 3 years, they will have mastered 1,500 words. In the final year, the intensity will increase slightly, with 500 words covered in each semester, adding another 1,000 words to their vocabulary. This structured and incremental approach ensures the following benefits: significantly improves reading skills, enhances communication abilities, boosts confidence levels, prepares students effectively for competitive challenges. Now, student analytics for institute. Top management can get bird's eye view of activity at department level, class level and at student level with percentage performance as explained hereafter. These analytics will be based on 4 areas: syllabus taught, video content usage, flashcard usage and AI test usage. Syllabus taught will show percentage of syllabus taught in the classroom. And based on this streaming, analytics will show how much percentage of syllabus is covered. Second is video content usage. This parameter will indicate percentage of video content seen by the student on the mobile app. 2 times full video and 2 times full insights will be considered as 100% video content utilized. Third is flashcard usage. This parameter will indicate the percentage of flashcard used by the student on the same mobile app. 25 times full run of flashcards in a semester will be considered as 100% flashcard utilized. If student swaps more than 80% of the cards, then it will fetch 4 points. Similarly, 3 points for more than 60% of the cards, 2 points for more than 40% of the cards, and 1 point for more than 20% of the cards. This percentage will be aggregated for whole analysis. Fourth is AI test usage. This parameter will indicate the percentage of AI test used by the student. This will show percent of AI test accuracy achieved by student on every attempt. 25 times AI test will be considered as 100% utilized. If student selects more than 80% of the words for AI test, then it will fetch 4 points. Similarly, 3 points for more than 60% of the words, 2 points for more than 40% of the words, and 1 point for more than 20% of the words. There will be 2 tests for 250 words to assess the progress of student during the semester. One at the beginning of the semester and another at the end of the semester to track the progress of the student. Student must give 2 oral tests for every 250 words. This will show percent of accuracy achieved by student in oral testing. This is student-specific analysis. Similar weighted analysis will be there for each class and each department or college. Let's join hands and work together to create a brighter future for students, empowering them with the skills and opportunities they deserve.